So the main point that you need to take away from this is that the algorithm or algorithms across all platforms have changed, but your post-click strategy probably hasn't. So you're probably doing all of that traditional CRO and growth, post-click growth, as you always have been. And everything has changed. So your methods need to change as well. Traffic platforms no longer optimize just for the click, okay? And we have to remember this, and we'll go through some examples in this playbook, but traffic platforms will traditionally and typically monetize purely for the click. They're not really looking post-click. Yes, you obviously feed back via a pixel. Yes, they scan your pages and check for compliance reasons, but now they no longer just optimize on that click. So we've seen this play out thousands of times. We've seen different moves, different changes, different updates in the landscape, in the industries across the last 13 years that we've been running post-click growth and conversion rate optimization for thousands of brands. We've built 8,000 plus landing pages. We've tracked billions in additional uplift in revenue for our clients. And the old growth model, typically what was working a couple of years ago, was quite simple, really. Platforms handled most of the targeting, and brands could get away with, optimizing just one funnel. They would optimize one homepage, one PDP, maybe a funnel if you're using pre-sale landing pages. And it was just all about that one generic experience being as strong and as good as possible. But it was all about optimizing once. Of course, you do your experimentation, your A/B testing, but you focus purely on that one experience for a capsule market. You're sending all of your paid clicks to one funnel, one store, one website that was highly optimized, and everything basically ran in a straight line. Post-click now has actually never been more important. And this is a thing that we say to brands all the time, and where we're getting the best results for brands is those who put importance now on the post-click experience, because everything has changed. Since Andromeda and other algorithm updates have happened, no longer do platforms not look at the post-click experience. They've never looked at it more. So with the use of AI and signals, the platforms now can look across your entire funnel and look at things like user experience, your bounce rate, your load times, and look at the actual interaction and experience that people are having with your brand after the click. So post-click has actually never been more important. And we know in the modern world, since the updates, how important creative is, and having a diverse amount of creative and different types of creators. And we talk about persona marketing now, but people forget and neglect that now the post-click experience has also been watched by the platforms. So what you do now post-click has a direct impact on what you can spend and how profitably you can spend pre-click. So it's actually never been more important. And I've given this example here. So platforms now evaluate far more than just the ad. They're analyzing your landing page experience, the message match, so the what the ad's saying, whether that's a spoken or copy or video, to actually what's happening once someone clicks on that ad. Do those things, are they congruent? Are they matched? They're looking at the engagement quality. So they're looking at how long people are staying on your page. Scroll depth, are they actually engaged with what you're now trying to sell them or pre-sell them? UX and UI is a massive one. So they're the actual experience and user interaction and user experience people are having on those pages. And they look all the way downstream at the whole conversion journey. So this is the biggest update we've seen. And yes, it's right to obsess over creative, because you need to be feeding these platforms way more creative now to get the clicks. But that post-click experience should not be forgotten, because now, more than ever, it's never been more important. And instead of the platform now targeting a single sort of demographic or bubble, everyone now has their own kind of conversion bubble, or if you want to call it that, where the platforms are constantly looking for new combinations and new personas to send clicks through to your page. But if the persona is not matched on the landing page or wherever that person now is going as a destination, it's going to have a direct effect on your ads. So as you can see in this diagram, it used to be very much one way. Well, now everything is being fed back into the advertising platform, and that experience is so important. So it's essential that you optimize that experience. And AI has changed how traffic now gets distributed. We sort of sum this up in this diagram here. So this is a generic skincare product, for example. And you have to, from a creative side now, lean into so many different personas. You might have an older demographic. This is a skincare product. You might have a demographic who has acne. You might have a pool or persona of people who have dry, itchy skin. And to speak to those people, you need to try all different sizes of creative. You need UGC, you need static, you need video, you need different personas, different people. You need to be serving the platforms ads that look completely different. But the same now goes for your post-click experience. And we show this in this diagram here. Every single persona that you want to scale needs a unique experience after the click, because platforms now identify nuanced intent clusters and personas before the click even happens. So you need to have that congruence between the ad that's targeting a specific persona through to the landing page. And we show this here with unique ads, unique copy, and unique pages that all sell the same product. And if you're not doing this, this is what's going to get you left behind. And this is how we're scaling brands right now. So this is so important. The post-click now directly influences the pre-click, and platforms actually feed that experience quality signals back into the delivery optimization. So growth no longer comes from isolated optimization. And this is why we say, is traditional CRO dead? Well, in some ways, yeah, because it's no longer an isolated experience. Winning brands and brands that we're scaling here at ConversionWise optimize the entire journey. So here's an example. You have an ad, you then message match that ad with a specific persona to your advertorial, a pre-sale landing page that's going to pre-educate and pre-sell. You make sure that the intent is then reinforced from whatever the person was saying or whatever the ad was saying. So you have that that kind of congruence throughout the two things. You then push them through to a offer or a PDP or a sales page with that continuity. You then go to the checkout and you have friction reduction based on doing some proper research and removing the friction points that specific persona have. And then you can do some persona alignment on the upsell. And it's thinking about this journey as a post-click experience that is going to feed all the way back up to the ad platform and going to allow you to optimize a better experience.